I hear all the time that, you can't buy a house for under $600,000 in Trumbull that is not a gut. Well, that's not true. Here at my newest listing at 116 Hurd Rd in the Daniels Farm section of Trumbull for $569,900, it's anything but a gut. And I was doing some math. For less than $25,000 down payment, your payments can be less than $4,500 a month, and that includes your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. So the more you put down, obviously, the less your payments are too. So listen, come on inside, let's check out this house. It's magnificent, as you're gonna see. Come on, let's go in. So here we are in the living room, vaulted ceilings, large picture window, wood burning fireplace, and it opens right into the dining room. So I'm coming out of the kitchen, off the living room, and you've got a formal dining room, and again, with oak floors throughout this whole main level, and sliders out to this wood deck that look over this beautiful, tranquil, wooded backyard. Boom. So now I'm coming through the dining room and I'm in this large eat-in kitchen, tons of cabinets. I notice immediately. I think these are a beautiful maplewood cabinet. And I got a little bit of a tongue twister here. I think these are tumbled travertine brick tile backsplashes. They're absolutely beautiful. Lots of counter space, tiled floor, double oven, built-in microwave. You know what's difficult? I'll tell you what's difficult, is keeping the weight off. You guys know the battle I had. I did it. But I found my pants now getting a little tight again. I bought all medium shirts, and now this morning I found myself looking for a large. Not good.
Jay, have an apple.
Thanks, Shane. So as you come out of the kitchen and you come down into the bedroom hallway, full bath, totally renovated. And you've got 3 generously sized bedrooms, and they've got great closet space in here, and windows and sunlight. Really beautiful. Primary bedroom, large closet, again, oak floors, ceiling fan, 2 windows, and a full bathroom, baby. So here I am, I'm sitting on the back deck. 8/10 of an acre, over 8/10 of an acre of property. Just about 1,500 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms. It's got 2 full bathrooms. Remember, it had the full bath in the primary. They've got a big old full basement, great for storage, and it walks out to the garage. For $569,900, guys, you don't have to spend over $6 to get what you want in Trumbull. And by the way, this is in the Daniels Farm School District. It's so conveniently located. It's close to the schools, the parks, shopping, and the highways. It's close to everything. It's a very sought-after neighborhood. So listen, thank you guys so much for coming on this tour of 116 Hurd Rd here in the Daniels Farm section of Trumbull. I hope you enjoyed this house. If you have any questions, or if you would like a private tour, which you might want to give me a call or shoot me a text at 203-209-2529, or email me at j@jcannone.com. Once again, thank you so much for coming on this tour. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a great rest of your day.